What's up, everybody? Is Ready Trader right here. In this video, we're going to talk about how to trade support and resistance successfully. So this trick or strategy that I'm about to share with you guys, it does work, and it has helped me to make about 54,000 US dollars last week. So I regard this information as for educational purpose, because for me personally it does work out for me. Let me just show you real quick how I made about this 54,000 US dollars on trading US 30 and the Nasdaq with same strategy that I'm about to share with you guys. So make sure you watch the video to the end and also give it a thumbs up. So this is the 54,000 USD that I made last week trading Nasdaq and US 30. I don't know if you can see that, but I'll try and put it on screen so you can see the profit and the balance right here. And other than that, we're gonna be talking about support and resistance levels today. So I will try and show you exactly step by step of how you can be profitable in the market trading support and resistance levels. So make sure you watch this video to the end, and so you can grab the information, because in forex knowledge matters a lot. Knowledge is the key in this forex. So let's dive onto my computer so I can show you exactly how to trade support and resistance levels accurately. Yeah, everybody, thank you very much for joining us. And here we go now on my computer so I can show you exactly how you can be profitable trading support and resistance levels in the forex market. So real quick, let's just take for example, the market is in an uptrending market, and we already know that this is how we're supposed to put out our trend line whenever time we are trying to trade support and resistance levels, and the market structure is trending to the upside, which is uptrending market. Because basically, whenever time you are trying to maybe analyze any particular chart in this forex, try and first of all know the market structure that you are trading. That's the first thing to do whenever time you open any chart at all to trade in forex. So other than that, this is how an uptrending market moves. Like this is the first move that you're going to spot out: lower high, then a high low, a higher high, then a high low, then a higher high. So how you trade support and resistance level is this will be your support level, and in an uptrending market, support is turning to, resistance is turning to support. Resistance is turning to support. That's how an uptrending market moves, and that's how you can trade it, right? So this is just the practical aspect of it. I'm just trying to make you understand exactly what the support level and what the resistance level is in this forex market. So make sure you grab as much as you can information right here. So other than that, this is our resistance level, and this is our resistance level, and this is a support level. Remember, in an uptrending market, support is turning to resistance. Resistance is turning to support, resistance is turning to support. That's how an uptrending market moves. So as you can see, whenever time we are trying to get into this market, there's no need for us to be buying right here, based on the fact that the market is already at our resistance level. So where are you supposed to be buying? You are supposed to be buying right here. And remember, I'm a price action trader and naked chart trader. I don't literally use any indicators to trade this forex. So what I literally use is I use naked chart and price actions. So right here, I would have just be looking out for price action signals like candlestick patterns. My students already know exactly how to trade the, there are some candlestick patterns that I tell them: hanging man, a pin bar, doji, engulfing candle, gravestone, dragonfly, a lot of candlestick patterns in this forex. So you got to understand exactly what a price action is before you be able to trade naked chart and be profitable in this market. As you can see, I just show you that I made about 54,000 US dollars in literally 1 week. It is not up to 1 week. I just made it in 1 day, but it is what it is, and I call it a week based on the fact that I didn't show you, or I didn't make this video on that same day. So right now, no need for you to be buying right here, based on the fact that the market is at the highest place possible. Because right now, as you can see, the market went up for lower high, came down for a high low. So this high low move right here, it is a retracement for an uptrending market. So this is how you spot out a change, a trend change or trend reversal in forex market. Because previously, definitely the market was kind of down, going down to the downside, and later on we spot out this kind of move right here, which is the high low move. Whenever time I see this, I wait for some sort of price action signals to get in for a buy right here to ride it all the way to the upside. And remember, this is what happened to GBP USD, because we took about 300 pips. And if you didn't watch that particular video, you go and watch it on I'll put a card anywhere it is at the top. The card is going to be displayed, and you go and watch it how I made the 300 pips. As you can see right now, this is a GBUSD TP got triggered. So I just use same information that I'm about to share with you guys right here. And GBBJPY as well, I send all of this trade to our free Telegram channel. As you can see right now, our take profit also got triggered for this GBBJPY, and the market might still go to the upside. But anyhow it is, we took our profit. So any information that I'm about to share with you guys right now, at least grab something out of it. If you cannot grab anything out of it, just off this video and go and watch another YouTube video. If you cannot just grab any information out of this that I've just shared, I'm trying my best to share everything that you need to know in this forex market. So this is how you can trade it, and this is how it is. Whenever time you are trading support and resistance level in an uptrending market. So this is where you are supposed to be buying, because the next move that you already know it is a high move. The retracement for an uptrending market is a high low move. So you buy right here based on the fact that you're going to be taking because you already know the market is going to go for a high move. A high move, we call it impulsive move, or very strong move. So after you buy it right here, you ride it all the way to the upside. So this is how you can trade support and resistance level in an alternative market. So real quick, let's just try and show you this on a rechart. So as you can see, this is gold, US dollars, which is XAU USD. Then what you are supposed to do is you look out for the market structure, and as you can see, the market structure for gold, it is an uptrending market, right? As you can see right here, it is an uptrending market. So you put your support and resistance levels accurately where you are supposed to put them. So right now, I will regard this as for my support and resistance levels on this XAUSD. So after putting your support and resistance levels, the next thing that you're supposed to do right here, it is you trade according to what you are seeing in the market. Because right now what I'm seeing is the market will still go up for high. But let's see what will happen when the market opens. Because I like, okay, the market is still going to the upside. So right now, this is where you are supposed to be buying. Okay, so I haven't been check out for this XAUSD earlier on. As you can see, a hanging man right here. I would have just considered it as a trend continuation, and my students know exactly how to trade this kind of setup whenever time they see it in the forex industry. So that's how you can do that, and it is very simple for you to trade this support and resistance level once you are able to put your support and resistance accurately. So after you check it out for like this, then you go down to smaller time frame to check out for an entry point. Because me personally, I like to get in at the 5 minute time frame and 15 minute time frame whenever time I'm trying to trade, or I'm trying to get into any trade at all in this forex market. So that's how you can do it, and it is very profitable, especially if you are not using any indicators to trade this support or resistance level. It is very helpful for you, and that's how you can do it. Yo, thank you very much, guys. If you made it to the end of this video, you know what I'm saying. So please give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that notification icon, so that whenever time I upload video to YouTube, you'll be the first person to watch it, and you'll be the first person to be notified by YouTube that Israel the Trader has uploaded a new content to his channel. So, and please don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel as well, and follow us on Instagram, so that we'll be connected on each platform that I'm in. You know what I'm saying? So to get more content like this, I'll keep on uploading it. And thank you very much for watching. I'm still Israel the Trader. I'm signing out, and thank you very much. See you next time.